I'm Sudhakar, General Manager Marketing from Pune Techtrol Private Limited. Welcome to Future of Manufacturing. We have presented here ultrasonic level transmitters, radar level transmitters, hydrostatic level transmitters, and float guided type level transmitters. The transmitters can be connected with RF frequency wireless communication, which we are live demonstration we have done here. We are manufacturers of level gauges, level switches, and level transmitters and control automation systems. We are presenting here a complete range of level indicators, level switches for liquids, level switches for solids, and level transmitter for liquids and solids.